Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Speak Power Daily. This is Charlotte, and today we are diving into a question almost everyone struggles with. How do I make time for everything? Time can feel like a fast train sometimes, and we are standing on the platform trying to catch it. But do not worry. In this episode, I want to help you see time not as an enemy, but as a helpful companion. Together, we will explore simple ways to use your hours with more intention, more calm, and more confidence. Let us begin with something simple. Making time starts with noticing time. Many people move through their day in a rush, like someone running with their shoelaces untied. They hurry, they jump from one thing to another, and they end the day exhausted, wondering where the hours went. Maybe you know that feeling. I know I do. The truth is that you cannot control every minute of your day, but you can control where your attention goes. And your attention is one of the most powerful tools you have. Imagine your day is like a room full of balloons. Some balloons are important tasks, some are goals, some are distractions, and some are habits. When you focus on the wrong balloon, you lose time without noticing. But when you grab the right balloon, the important one, you move forward much faster. One helpful idea is to choose your big 3 for the day. 3 things that truly matter. They can be small or big, but they should be meaningful. For example, studying English for 20 minutes, cleaning a space in your home, exercising, or sending an important message. When you decide your big 3 early, your brain relaxes. It knows where to aim, and you stop feeling lost in a million tasks. And here is a little reminder. Making time does not mean doing everything perfectly. It means choosing what matters and giving it your best energy. It is like preparing a simple meal. You do not need 10 ingredients to make something delicious. You just need the right ones. So, as we explore this topic today, I want you to remember that you have more control over your time than you think. You can guide your hours, you can create space, you can choose your energy, and you can build days that feel more peaceful, more productive, and more aligned with who you want to become. Let us take a gentle but honest look at how time moves in your daily life. Many people say, I do not have time. But very few actually stop to observe where their hours are going. It is a little like pouring water into a bucket with tiny holes. You keep adding more and more, but somehow the bucket never fills. To make time for everything, you first need to notice the holes. Think about a typical day. You wake up, maybe check your phone, prepare something to eat, go to work or study, talk to family or friends, and then suddenly it is night again. You might ask yourself, where did my day go? But time does not disappear. It moves exactly where your actions and attention send it. One powerful way to understand your time is to watch your habits. For example, how often do you reach for your phone without thinking? How many minutes do you spend scrolling, deciding, hesitating, or switching between small tasks? When you do these things once, it feels small. But when you repeat them many times a day, they quietly steal your hours. I want you to imagine your time like a bank account. Each morning, you receive 24 new hours. You cannot save them for tomorrow, and you cannot ask for extra. But you can decide how to spend them. Some of your time goes to necessary activities, such as sleeping, eating, and working. But the remaining hours are flexible, and those hours can shape your future. Even 20 minutes used with intention can change your life over time. Here is a little exercise you can try today. Choose a 2-hour window and simply observe yourself. Notice when you switch tasks. Notice when you get distracted. Notice when you hesitate or procrastinate. Do not judge yourself, just observe. When you become aware of your patterns, you gain control. Awareness is the first key to making time feel manageable. Another important idea is that not all tasks have the same weight. Some tasks give you energy. Some take your energy away. Some move you closer to your goals, and some pull you away from them. When you treat all tasks as equal, your day becomes chaotic. But when you learn to organize your tasks by importance, your day becomes clearer. Imagine your tasks as stones in a jar. If you start by filling the jar with tiny pebbles, distractions, and small tasks, you will not have space for the big stones that matter. But if you place the big stones first, your goals, your priorities, the smaller ones will naturally fit around them. Making time does not mean doing everything. It means choosing wisely, acting with awareness, and giving space to the things that truly matter to you. Now that you understand where your time goes, it is time to build something more powerful: your personal rhythm. Many people try to copy someone else's routine because it looks productive or impressive. But your life, your energy, and your responsibilities are unique. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that is perfectly all right. To make time for everything that matters, you need a rhythm that fits your reality, not someone else's. Think of your day like a song. Every song has a beat, a flow, and moments of intensity followed by moments of calm. Your life works the same way. You do not need constant speed or non-stop productivity. You need balance. You need a natural rhythm with focused moments and peaceful moments. One helpful idea is to divide your day into blocks of intention. These blocks do not need to be strict. They just need a purpose. For example, you can create blocks such as focus time, learning time, movement time, or rest time. Even a simple 20-minute block can help you move forward in a powerful way. When you know the purpose of your time, you spend your minutes with more clarity and less stress. Let us make this idea more practical. Imagine you want to exercise, study English, take care of responsibilities, and also find time to relax. Instead of asking, "How do I do everything?" try asking, "Where can each activity live in my day?" Suddenly, your mind begins to organize itself naturally. Maybe your English practice fits in the morning when your mind is fresh. Maybe your exercise fits in the afternoon when your body has more energy. Maybe your rest fits in the evening when the world becomes quieter. Another simple method is the single task rule. Many people try to multitask, thinking it saves time, but multitasking often makes everything slower and more stressful. It is like trying to juggle 5 oranges when you barely learn to juggle one. Instead, choose one task, give it full attention, finish it, and then move to the next. You will feel calmer, more focused, and surprisingly faster. Your rhythm also depends on your natural energy levels. Some people feel strong in the morning. Others feel sharp in the afternoon or creative at night. Pay attention to your body. Notice when you work best. If you use your strongest hours for your most important tasks, you will succeed with less effort. And remember, your rhythm is allowed to change. Life changes, seasons change, your priorities change, and your routine can change with them. Flexibility is not a weakness, it is a sign of wisdom. Building your personal rhythm is not about squeezing more into your day. It is about finding the right flow, the right pace, and the right direction. When your day has rhythm, your time becomes easier to manage, and your goals feel much closer. Now that you have started building a personal rhythm, there is another important step: protecting your time. It is one thing to plan your day, but it is another thing to defend it from distractions, interruptions, and habits that quietly steal your hours. Think of your time like a beautiful garden. If you do not protect it, weeds will grow everywhere, and your plants will struggle to survive. But with a little care and attention, your garden becomes a peaceful space where your goals can grow. One of the biggest challenges people face is saying yes too often. You might say yes to tasks you do not have energy for, yes to favors you do not really want to do, or yes to activities that take you away from your goals. Saying yes is kind, but saying yes all the time is exhausting. Remember this: every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to something important. Protecting your time means learning to choose wisely, not out of guilt, but out of clarity. Another thing to watch is your digital environment. Phones, notifications, and apps are designed to grab your attention again and again. They are like little birds tapping on your window nonstop. If you open the window every time, your focus flies away. A simple solution is to create no phone zones, small pockets of time where your phone stays out of reach. Even 15 minutes of uninterrupted focus can feel like magic. Your environment also influences your productivity more than you think. If your space is full of noise, clutter, or constant movement, your mind becomes scattered. But when your environment is calm, your brain feels calm too. This does not mean you need a perfect aesthetic setup. Just a small, clean corner dedicated to your tasks can help you stay more focused and present. Another powerful tool is setting gentle boundaries with the people around you. You do not need to say, "Do not talk to me," like a character in a dramatic movie. Instead, you can say something simple like, "I need 20 minutes to focus, and then I am all yours." Most people will understand, and they may even admire your discipline. And do not forget to protect time for rest. Many people treat rest as something optional, something they earn only after completing everything. But rest is not a reward. Rest is fuel. Without it, your energy fades, your creativity drops, and your mind becomes cloudy. When you protect your rest the same way you protect your goals, your days feel easier and more balanced. Protecting your time does not mean building high walls or living with strict rules. It means treating your time as something valuable, something meaningful, something that deserves respect. When you do this, your days begin to feel more peaceful, your goals feel more achievable, and you finally create space for everything that matters. As we reach the heart of this journey together, I want you to take a slow breath and feel a little proud. You have explored your habits, your rhythm, your priorities, and even your distractions. That alone shows your desire to grow. But now, I want to bring everything together in a way that feels simple, human, and doable. Because making time for everything is not about having a perfect schedule. It is about designing a life that feels full, meaningful, and gentle on your mind. Let us begin with an important reminder. You are not a machine. You do not need to work every minute. You do not need to accomplish everything at once. A well-lived life is not measured by the number of tasks you finish, but by the quality of the moments you create. When you choose your energy carefully, your days feel richer, calmer, and more aligned with your real goals. To design a full life without feeling overwhelmed, try thinking in seasons. Some seasons of life are for learning. Some are for resting. Some are for working hard. Some are for reconnecting with yourself. When you understand your season, you stop forcing yourself to do everything, and instead, focus on what fits your current moment. You become more patient with yourself and more confident in your direction. Another helpful idea is to celebrate small wins. Many people wait for big achievements, a promotion, a certificate, a perfect exam score, to feel proud. But real progress happens in tiny, consistent steps. Every time you choose intention over distraction, every time you study English for a few minutes, every time you practice discipline or protect your time, you are shaping a stronger version of yourself. Those small wins create momentum, and momentum changes lives. Remember, a balanced life does not mean equal time for everything. It means enough time for what truly matters to you. You can prioritize your health, your learning, your relationships, your personal growth, and still find time to breathe, rest, and enjoy small pleasures. When you stop trying to be everywhere at once, you finally have space to be present where it counts. I want you to imagine yourself a few months from now. Your days feel clearer. Your time feels lighter. You move with more confidence, more intention, and more calm. You are not racing through life, you are guiding it. Every choice, every habit, every moment of awareness has brought you closer to the person you want to become. So here is your gentle invitation. Choose one thing today, just one. Protect time for it. Give it your attention. And trust that tomorrow, you will take another step. That is how you make time for everything. One brave, intentional moment at a time. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep going, keep growing, and keep leading your days with purpose. Your time is your story, and you are the one writing it. If you felt encouraged, please follow the podcast and share it with someone you care about. Together, we can build a space where learning English feels empowering, positive, and full of purpose.